Hello and then welcome to today's tutorial. So today we'll be learning to prepare files for our um, websites. Okay, so there's just a basic way to start. Okay, so I'm going to start by opening Visual Studio Code and then I'll click on New File. So New File, um, you can hit Ctrl S to save, or you can right click on let's see when you go to File. Okay, Ctrl S to save, and then you can give index.html, or better still, just clear the HTML. Okay, so already I've created a folder. Okay, I've created a folder where, or I'm going to create a new folder. Right click and then create a new folder. I'm going to give my project a name, web project. And then this where my documents will be, or my files will be. So when I save it, you can see I have index.html. And then I'm going to do same for CSS. So I'll just have to go to click on the file and then click on new file, click and then click on save as. All right, click and then click on save as. Okay, and I'm going to do it main.css or about. Okay, so about.html, or better so click on save as type and then look for HTML. Okay, so either way works. Okay, and then new file, and then this time around I'm going to click on Ctrl S, or yeah, or save as, and then I'm going to type main.css, or you can use the save as type and then look for CSS. Okay, so I'll click on save, then I have my CSS file opened here. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So let me click on new window, and then I'm going to open this. Okay, and then there's another way. So another way is to go to your desktop or anywhere you'd want your files to be. Right click and then click on new, and then click on new folder. And I'm going to give this folder a name. Okay, so this folder is going to house our HTML and then CSS file. Okay, so just right click and then click on text document, and then just type index. You can add .html or just leave it to index. Okay, just leave it as index, and then you can do same, right click, go to new, and then go to text document, and then do main.css or just main. Okay, so I'll go back and then I'm going to drag this into my VS Code editor, text editor. Okay, and then drop it. Okay, so now I can see what we have. Okay, but this extension has the .txt, so I have to right click and click on rename, and then clear the txt and then make it HTML. We'll do same for the main.css. Right click, click on rename, and then .css. Okay, so you can see now we have them here. Okay, so as usual, the icons are there because I have the material icon themes installed. Okay, so just click on HTML, and then you can see we have the drop down HTML5, and then we have the basic structure of the HTML just given to us. So thank you.